Hello everyone, this is Speed Racer 392. I'm going to show the easiest way to change out a Dodge Journey headlight from 2010 on up. First thing you want to do is, of course, pop the hood. Now, you got these three here. They have to be, actually it's four, but I only have three. I'm missing one, everybody. But you got these rivets that's got to come out here. There's supposed to be one here and here. So once you got the top off, got those clips off, you're gonna have 6 clips to go along the bottom of it. And those you just gotta pry them out. It's pretty simple. You start from one end, work your way. Once you got the bumper off, you're gonna have one screw here, one screw there, and one down there. I don't have that screw on mine on this one, but if you're changing this side, which I just don't happen to be doing, but I'll show you guys, same thing. Screw here, screw here, screw here. You got 3 screws. Now, a lot of mechanics would say take the bumper off. I chose not to. It's pretty simple just to pry it. There's no screws on the bottom here. It's pretty simple just to pry this down a little bit and get the headlight out. It's that simple. You're gonna need a 10mm socket wrench. Just a FYI, this screw is a bitch to get out, as you can see. Just take your time and it gets easy.